Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the crucial topic of cost reduction versus cost avoidance. First, let's talk about cost reduction. This involves identifying and eliminating existing costs to improve your bottom line. Examples of cost reduction include cutting down on office supplies, reducing utility bills, or renegotiating supplier contracts. Now, let's move on to cost avoidance. This strategy focuses on preventing future costs from occurring in the first place. Examples of cost avoidance include investing in preventive maintenance to avoid future repair costs, or implementing training programs to reduce employee turnover. While both strategies aim to improve financial performance, they do so in different ways. Cost reduction is about cutting current expenses, whereas cost avoidance is about preventing future costs. It's important to balance both strategies to ensure long-term financial health. Focusing solely on cost reduction can lead to short-term gains, but may hurt your business in the long run. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management. See you next time.